Welcome back to Software Hub. If you forgot your Windows password and can't access your PC, then this video is for you. Today I'll show you some official Windows recovery options that can help you regain access to your account safely. Before we start, make sure to subscribe to the channel and press the bell icon for more useful Windows tutorials and troubleshooting guides. Now let's get started. You can see I am stuck here because I forgot my password. To reset the password, press and hold the right Shift key on your keyboard. Then click the Restart option from the Power menu. This action forces Windows to bypass the normal startup sequence and boot directly into the special recovery environment. Once the computer restarts, it will automatically enter Windows recovery mode. From here, click on the Troubleshoot option. Next, click on Advanced Options. Now open the command prompt window by clicking on it. The command window in recovery mode runs with the highest administrative privileges, even before Windows loads completely. This lets us modify protected system files that are normally locked while Windows is running. When the command window opens, type Notepad and press Enter. When Notepad opens, click the File option on the top and then click Open. This opens a file browser window. From here, navigate to this PC on the left sidebar. Then open your main hard drive, usually labeled Local Disk, C:, or Windows Partition. Now, open the Windows folder. Next to the File Name field, you will find a drop-down labeled Files of Type. Change this from Text Documents to All Files. Now, locate the System32 folder and open it. Inside System32, find the file named utilman.exe. This is the utility manager program that normally launches when you click the accessibility button on the login screen. When you find utilman.exe, do not open it. Instead, right-click it and select Rename. First, copy its original name, utilman. Then, add a number 2 at the end of the file name so it becomes utilman2.exe. Then refresh the folder to see any changes. By renaming utilman.exe to utilman2.exe, we temporarily disable the original accessibility tool. This allows us to replace it with the command window without losing the original file permanently. Now find the file named CMD in the same System32 folder. Right-click on CMD and choose Rename. Paste the original name we copied earlier, which is utilman. Refresh the folder again to see changes. Everything is now prepared. Simply close Notepad. Then type Exit in the command window to close it. Then click Continue. When the Windows lock screen appears again, look at the bottom right corner. You will see the accessibility button. Simply click on it. Instead of opening the usual accessibility tools, a new command window will open. This is exactly what we wanted. In this newly opened command window, type Control User Passwords 2 exactly as shown, otherwise it will not work. Now the User Accounts window will open. From the list of users, click on your username to select it. Then click the Reset Password button. A new dialog will pop up. Here, enter your new password in both fields, then click OK. Close the command window. Now back on the Windows lock screen, type your new password and press Enter. Please be patient. After changing your password this way, Windows may take 1 to 2 minutes to finalize the changes and log you in for the first time. As you can see, my Windows session is now unlocked successfully. Do not close this video or turn off your computer yet. We must now restore the accessibility button and the command window program back to their original locations. Otherwise, the accessibility button will keep opening a command window instead of the correct tool. Open this PC from your desktop or File Explorer. Navigate back to the Windows folder, then open System32. Look for the utilman file again. First, rename the utilman CMD file back to CMD again, like I do. Then rename utilman2 and remove the 2 from the end. Refresh the folder one more time to confirm the changes. Now, to test that everything is restored correctly, click on the search bar, type CMD, and open the command window normally. You will see it runs as expected without any errors. The accessibility button on the login screen will also behave normally again. If this video helped you recover access to your computer, please consider subscribing to the channel and clicking the bell icon for more latest updates on troubleshooting and tech tutorials. Thank you for watching.